"You play the guitar well, Leon," Miss Cruz said. Leon is 8 years old. He's in grade 2. He loves to play the guitar. "What do you like to be when you are big?" Miss Cruz asked. "I would like to be a good guitarist, like my father," Leon said. "I would like to play at the cultural center." Now, answer these questions by writing the correct letter on your notebook. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Who plays the guitar well? Letter A, Miss Cruz. Letter B, Father. Letter C, Leon. Write your answer now. Number 2. How old is Leon? Letter A, 6. Letter B, 7. Letter C, 8. Write your answer now. Number 3. What would Leon want to be? Letter A, good teacher. Letter B, good pianist. Letter C, good guitarist. Write your answer now. Number 4. What is Leon's father? Letter A pianist. Letter B, a teacher. Letter C, a guitarist. Write your answer now. Number 5. What grade is Leon in? Letter A, grade 1. Letter B, grade 2. Letter C, grade 3. Write your answer now. Are you done? Let's check your work. Number 1. Who plays the guitar well? The answer is letter C. Leon plays the guitar well. Number 2. How old is Leon? The answer is letter C. Leon is 8 years old. Number 3. What would Leon want to be? The answer is letter C. Leon wants to be a good guitarist. Number 4. What is Leon's father? The answer is letter C. Leon's father is a guitarist. Number 5. What grade is Leon in? The answer is letter B. Leon is in grade 2. Did you get the correct answers?
Good job! Be kind to one another. Ephesians 4, verse 32. Be kind.